guys, ayan, try natin kayin yung tinanim kong ubi guys. To, yan siya guys, to sa sako guys. Wow. Wow. Grabe, may laman na guys. Ay! Butol. Butol guys. Dami. Ay, may malaking malaki. Wow. Ah, grabe. Nakatuwa naman ito. Ay, wow. Grabe, laki na ng niya. Wow. Super laki ng laman guys. Kita mo? Tingnan mo guys, oh. Grabe laki.